Let's learn how to simplify the fraction 11 over 40, or 11/40ths. To simplify a fraction, we need to find the greatest common divisor, or GCD, of the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is the top number of the fraction, which is 11. The denominator is the bottom number, which is 40. The greatest common divisor is the largest number that divides both the numerator and denominator evenly. Let's find the factors of 11 and 40. The factors of 11 are 1 and 11, since 11 is a prime number. A prime number is a number greater than 1 with exactly two divisors, 1 and itself. The factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. The greatest common factor of 11 and 40 is 1. Since the greatest common divisor is 1, it means the fraction 11/40ths is already in its simplest form. We cannot simplify it further. Therefore, the simplified form of 11/40ths is 11/40ths.